The National Indicators Database and Dashboard we have on our EPAH website is a tool governments at different levels can use to identify, diagnose and register the energy poverty relationship in their country, the status and understanding different contexts for energy poverty.
Indicators are an essential part of the diagnosis process. That is one of the important steps for mitigating energy poverty. And they are used to identify the energy poor, who are these people, the most vulnerable regions, and to then tailor measures that effectively target this vulnerable population and aiming to reduce their vulnerability. Local governments, following a process of data collection that should also focus on using the resources and the data sets at the local level, can use energy poverty indicators to really first see if there is a problem of energy poverty, what is the dimension of the problem, this is how many people are in energy poverty, to really identify the determinants at play, so which factors are creating the problem, to assess how deep is this problem, what is the impact of this, the magnitude of the impact of these factors, to also assess the effects of this problem, how do they manifest themselves, and then ultimately again to propose to implement measures that effectively tackle this issue and address the vulnerability of the population, aiming to reduce it.
We have now indicators related to climate. So heating degree days, cooling degree days, for example. We have indicators that are really relevant for energy poverty on energy consumption and facility, so around the building stock, around the type of equipment being used. Then we have another area, area of main topic, which is transportation. So we try to bring expenditure related to transportation and other indicators for that. And we also bring information around socioeconomic aspects, so income-related indicators on age, on gender, on income. But then we go deeper into this. So, for example, we have indicators related to health, which is really important to understand also the consequences of energy poverty in the countries and regions. The source of data for this energy poverty indicators dashboard is coming from official EU datasets. So it's official data coming mostly from Eurostat database, where we can compare member states on these indicators.
It can be challenging to establish common indicators across regions because there is a diversity of data availability. So different regions have different types of data available. However, I believe that it is necessary to define, establish a measurement framework based on a set of guidelines that really help develop a diagnosis that is robust, that is inclusive, and that is comprehensive. So we have published a report in EPAH called Bringing Research into Local Practice, and in this report we do this assessment of diverse a group of indicators, and we precisely set these guidelines really to guide local municipalities to build a measurement framework that is adequate to really measure energy poverty in their territories.